Okay, guys, we have entered this puts right here. Being short selling, we have been buying puts here, here, and here. I have entered 3 times on my puts, and you see how the stock is going. Doing good. There is a high chance of not reducing rates and actually increasing rates. You know, the federal government would increase rates, especially with the new guy that is on as a chairman. As of right now, the price action was kind of choppy because it's past um, power hour, which means volume decreases a little bit. But that doesn't mean the movement or bias is going to decrease. As you can see, we have been looking to the downside on this chart right here. Especially, there is a lot of choppiness at this level right here. Traders don't exactly want to trade higher or lower. They're just maintaining this level. You know, even though the bad news made the stock, made the SPY go all the way down, made the SPY break this level, it came higher up a little bit, but also there is a wall here, which means sentiment is still bearish, which means we are taking puts. Just to show you and put you in perspective, basically here we are aiming this low. We are aiming this super low right here at 729.60. If you take a look at on a lower time frame, maybe even we will take some profits at 731 and let some runners go. We have 5 lots. We have entered with 5 contracts, 5 positions. Nice. I want to adjust my taskbar settings really quick so I can show you the P&L. Right now the stock is moving really good. Hopefully, let me see. Look at the VIX. Look at the VIX. VIX has come down all the way to this level right here. Support. Now it's shooting up. Now I'm aiming the VIX to get here to 1923, which is going to make this stock go all the way here. That's the plan. We're going to take advantage of this whole move. Now I want to. Okay. Nice. So you see the VIX, right? You see the stock moving. Take a look at my position right here. P&L day. Right here. $400. We'll take profits right here at this level at 731. At least half of our position, and we're gonna let the rest of the contracts go. Let's see how it goes. For the people that is asking me how I take my trades, this is how I take my trades. I don't know if you can see it. I take a look at the charts here on the computer, and I execute here on my phone. It's a lot easier. I'm gonna put the VIX right here so you can see how volatility is going. Whoa, wow. This is a very good trade. Or $535, $550, $550. I'm not going to take profits right now, even though the stock has slowed down just a little bit. Price action has slowed down just a little bit, but that doesn't mean it's not going to keep going. What it means is that some people are already taking profits. You know, when it comes to these moves like this, when it's reversing a little bit, let's say, that means people are taking profits. You know, if people are short selling, some of them might want to buy a little bit at some levels, but if buying pressure is not enough, this stock will keep going lower and lower, which is what we want. We want this thing to tank all the way down, and with the help of the VIX, so for example, right here you can see VIX has broken or has gone above this level right here, which basically my very next level to take profits will be at 19.5. Basically right here, you can clearly see the VIX right here. I wanted to get here, and if it aligns with the stock movement, with the stock price, oh, very good. You see, very good. Now it's tanking. Now short sales are coming in hot. I'm gonna take partial profits. My very next level to take profits will be at 19.5. Basically right here, you can clearly see the VIX right here. I wanted to get here, and if it aligns with the stock movement, with the stock price, oh, very good. You see, very good. Now it's tanking. Now short sales are coming in hot. I'm gonna take partial profits. Beautiful. I took partial profits. We are $700 a day. Look at this thing. I'm going to wait 2 more minutes just to see how this candle closes. If it closes higher than this line right here that we see, than this dotted line, this is one of our key levels. Right now has become resistance. So if price closes above, that means break of the structure, which means a reversal. It's going to go up. And remember, we're short selling right now. So I want the price to get as low as this right here. Right now, price is trading at 733. I want to get it as low as 729. So basically, that's a $4 move, which is going to give us a very, very, very good return. We just have to be patient. Remember that we already have taken profits at the highest point available, which it was 150. Right now, because of this pullback, it's trading at 90, 89, 87, 84. You can clearly see my P&L day right here. It was a 700 and something. Now we're trading at 590. which is okay. You know, things like this happen. We are not looking to do home runs every single day, but we have to take advantage of them once we see an opportunity. And I believe this is a big opportunity. So we just have to wait a little bit and see what happens. Look, this thing. Oh no. Oh no. Battery. Oh wow. So on this little pullback, contracts went from $150 all the way to 60. Literally, they literally have lost 50% of their value in 5 minutes. That I'm 11, 16, 27, in 10 minutes. They have lost 50% of their value in 10 minutes. What is going to happen here? Let's see. It looks like price is going higher and higher, so I might have to actually take my exit. I'm out. That's it. I'm out. I'm 143. I'm out. 143. 543. And you know what? I'm gonna cut my head off if the price decides to shut lower. It doesn't really matter. $500 a day. What else can you ask for? This is a very good day. Obviously, you could squeeze more money. You could have squeezed more money. But the idea is not to. The idea is not to be perfect, like sniper entries and home runs every single day. Oh my god. You know, that's not the idea. The idea is to stay profitable, to be profitable and just come out green every single day. It doesn't matter if it is $10 or $100, $1,000. You know, if it is $1,000, it's amazing. But you know, not necessarily has to be that way. We just have to aim for profits. We just have to aim for following our rules and do good. That's it. That has been the trade for today. That's a $500 day. That's something that I want you to understand. Obviously, we were looking at higher numbers, but $500 a day, think about it. Can you do $500 in, what, 2 hours? What time is it? 11:30. Yeah, in 2 hours? Bro, you know, I will come back. I will see you on the next one, and I will maybe do live streaming. So you guys can take a look at it and see what we're doing here and how to make money in the stock market. Thank you guys. I'll see you later.